Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Tech, and today in this video I'm gonna share my opinion regarding MIUI 8 ROM on Lenovo K3 Note, which is based on Android Lollipop 5.0.2. First, let's talk about the customization. We have all known about the customization level of the MIUI, and it is awesome. There are great wallpapers, themes pre-installed. You can also download thousands of themes and wallpapers from the MI theme store. So customization is top notch. Let's go to the settings and see what options do we get there, what are working, what are not working. Let's find out. As you can see, the Wi-Fi is working fine, but here is a problem that, as you can see, the NVRAM network, something like that. This is not a network or Wi-Fi network, but it's all time there. You can't remove it or something, but it's not creating any type of problem. Bluetooth is also working fine. Bluetooth tethering, wireless display, and Wi-Fi hotspot, and everything is working pretty fine. As you can see in the display settings, you can change the color and contrast. There is also a settings for wallpaper, and you can download a wallpaper from the MI store. There is a theme. These are all pre-installed themes. Those are awesome. Also, you can download from the MI store. And this is the sound and vibration, and at the audio settings you will get this headphone effects, which are really interesting. And in the lock screen and password, as always, it's same. Here in the notification and status bar, you have to know a thing, that the notification toggles layout was defaultly set to combined, and it was like this, like Samsung's UI, and I don't like this one. If you like, you can keep it, and if you want separate style, then you can change it to separate. As you can see, the separate toggles, this is a lot easier, I think so. And you can enable the show connection speed to enable the network data activity. So that's it for the notification and status bar. And here's the second space. I don't know what is second space. And here's the option of battery and performance. Battery life of this ROM seems pretty good, and it is giving me up to 5 hours of screen on time. But here I haven't recorded the screen on time, so sorry for that, but it's giving me about 4.5 to 5 hours of screen on time easily. And there's option of to do performance and balance mode. So defaultly it was set to balance mode. And here's the storage, and USB OTG is supported. Everything is working pretty fine, no issues. There is another settings, that is light mode. It will enable the light version of the MIUI. And in the additional settings, here's the settings, notification light, and it's working pretty fine while charging, while your device get fully charged. But I observed that it's not working while you are getting a missed call or WhatsApp message or something like that. So it's something a problem, I would say. You can also change the buttons functions, and one hand mode is also present there, and it's working pretty fine. You have to swipe like this, what is showing in the screen. You have to follow the steps, and you can use one hand mode. And here is the developer option, and guys, I would recommend that you disable this option, memory optimization option. By default it was in middle, but I changed it to off. I turned off it because at that time when it was in middle, the memory management was very bad, and now it's okay. So I recommend you to turn off the memory optimization option. And here the most interesting thing is that the dual app functionality. That means you can use to WhatsApp, to Facebook, and to Twitter account, and many things like this in a single device, which is really good. As you can see, I have created a clone of Facebook, and here is the clone of Facebook, and I can use two Facebook apps with different accounts. And here is the option of app lock by default, which is really good for security reason. And let me show you finally the about phone. As you can see, the device is K3 Note, and the Android version is Android Lollipop 5.0.2, which is not the latest. so a little bit of disappointment, I would say. And guys, to enable the developer option, you have to tap on the MIUI version for several times. Now let's talk about the cons. Notification LED is buggy. Sometimes I have faced reboot issues automatically. No Dolby Atmos sound system, but sounds are good. You can flash Dolby Atmos easily. Not the latest version of Android, and few language issues. So these are the few cons. And let me now talk about the pros. It is very fast and smooth, very good customizations, no major bugs, very much stable, no heating issues, good battery life, no force closing issues, good gaming experience, but not the best. You should enable the performance mode to play high graphics intensive games. The pros are really high compared to cons, so I recommend you to flash this ROM if you like customizations and MIUI. Let's check what's working, what's not working in the CPU verification. As you can see, the governor scale is in interactive mode. That means it will save a lot more battery. Cores are working fine, and it's clocked at 1.69 GHz. That means 1.7 GHz. So no downclocking, no overclocking. And let's check if all the sensors are working fine or not. And all the sensors are working. As you can see guys, even gyroscope sensor is working in the custom ROM. That means it's about to be a official ROM of Lenovo K3 Note. Really everything is working, as you can see. So finally, I would say I recommend this ROM for K3 Note users because it has 95% of pros and 5% of cons. Also the cons are not major, so flash it today and enjoy it. But I am not responsible for any kind of damage in your phone. But if you are facing some problems, then I'm here to help you. Ask me in the comments below and I'm ready to help you. So that's it, and the last part of the video is the gaming review, so keep watching this video. Thank you guys for watching. You guys always have a great day.